Before watching video, please subscribe and support. More clear than red, more mysterious than pink. Purple lipstick is usually worn by women who reveal in power and femininity. She is strong, confident, individualistic, and bit unapproachable, not someone who suffer fool gladly. Beauty rules to like this go with light purple, cool purple like lavender, dark purple, and violet colors. So today formulation I will give you full formulation with traditional method. I use mortar and pestle to grinding and crushing. Substitute instead of using the other method like electric machines, bullet grinder, etc. etc. So I take 1 gram of black iron oxide, 2 gram of blue iron oxide to make a darker color. Grind them well until the mixture become homogeneous. If you are not using mortar and pestle, you can use bullet grinder. In mortar and pestle, you have to wait for 5 to 6 minutes until the powder become homogeneous in structure. If you are using bullet grinder, it takes only 30 seconds to 1 minute. In today's formulation, I make 3 different shades. First shade is darker purple. Second shade will be blue color and third shade will be a light color. In a second shade, I take 2 gram of blue iron oxide in mortar and pestle, grind them well until the mixture become homogeneous. In third lipstick shade, I just take 0.5 gram of blue iron oxide and 2 gram of titanium dioxide. Just grind them well until mixture become homogeneous. If you are not using titanium dioxide, you can substitute with titanium dioxide the other cornstarch or any other thing which have a whitey texture. You can see conversion of beauty full purple color how it's look like now, just like this. It looks so beautiful when you apply on yourself. You can use the powder with as a eye shades. In today's formula, I use cetyl alcohol and beeswax as a thickener. Now, these are the different pigment which I grind in mortar and pestle. The first one are little dark, the second one are only blue, the third one are light purple. I use beeswax and cetyl alcohol as a thickener and jojoba essential oil to moisturize our formula. Only 1 ml of jojoba essential oil I use today. just like this. You can use double boiler method to melt these ingredients, as well as you can use microwave method, depend upon your availability. This is jojoba essential oil. I use only small amount because in summers things melt so quickly. So cetyl alcohol and beeswax work very well in summers, but in winters formula will be little bit different. So these are the end product. I also stained some papers just to show you results, and do not forget to subscribe and support with and share with your friends and family. It looks so beautiful when you apply on yourself. Thanks for watching the video.